Let's be real. Just a few years ago, humanoid robots were mostly performing on stage. They looked cool, sure, but they weren't doing anything practical. Now, that's changing fast. In this video, we're exploring how Foxconn and NVIDIA teamed up to build a robotic nurse already working with real patients. Singapore has rolled out its first humanoid security bot, and a startup backed by $27 million is preparing to send robots into shipyards. You'll also get a look at Titan, a rugged robot designed for tough outdoor labor, and a powerful new AI system from Carnegie Mellon that's training humanoids to push, pull, and open doors with serious precision. The age of real robotic labor isn't coming, it's here. Let's dive in. One of the biggest reveals from Computex this week came from Foxconn, NVIDIA, and Kawasaki. They introduced Neurobot, an AI-powered humanoid nurse. But this isn't just a tray-carrying hospital assistant. It comes loaded with real-world skills, perception, navigation, language understanding, and the ability to adapt. It was co-developed with Taiwan's Taichung Veterans General Hospital, built specifically to tackle critical healthcare issues, nurse shortages, patient monitoring, and caregiver burnout. Neurobot can check vitals, assist with mobility, deliver meals and medication, even offer companionship. It doesn't just follow orders. Thanks to NVIDIA's AI platform, it processes large volumes of data in real time. If a patient's vital signs shift, it responds instantly. It notices habits, like when someone tends to wake up or needs help turning in bed, and adjusts its routine accordingly. All of this is powered by high-resolution sensors, strong natural language capabilities, and fully autonomous navigation. Early trials already show that nurses love it because it takes care of the repetitive tasks, giving them time for critical care. Patients? They feel like someone's always there for them. Foxconn hasn't officially released a full statement yet, but NVIDIA's announcement makes it clear. This is the beginning of something much bigger. With global healthcare systems under pressure, robots like Neurobot may soon become part of everyday hospital teams. While Foxconn and NVIDIA are diving straight into healthcare, over in Singapore, Certus is testing the waters more cautiously. They've introduced their first humanoid robot, built by Agibot, but it's still labeled a research project for now. It's not patrolling shopping centers or scanning IDs just yet. It's being evaluated for use in building security, customer service, and facility management. Certus has experience in robotics. They deployed autonomous surveillance units and used service bots during the pandemic. But this is their first full humanoid, designed to walk, talk, assist, and engage directly with people. It may even integrate with their orchestration platform, Mozart, which links operations across security, maintenance, and customer service. Certus says it's not about replacing humans, not yet. This rollout is focused on learning how humanoids can fit into existing systems, support human staff, and enhance services without causing disruption. And in a robotics-forward city like Singapore, this slow, deliberate rollout makes sense. Meanwhile, over in Houston, there's Persona AI, and they're moving fast. They just raised $27 million in their pre-seed round. That's a big number, and this team is the real deal. The founders are all ex-NASA robotics engineers. Nick Radford, who led Nauticus Robotics, Jerry Pratt from Figure AI. These aren't hype guys, they're robot builders. Persona AI is going after brutal, demanding work. Shipbuilding, massive factories, outdoor environments where strength and precision matter. They're building humanoids with real muscle and agility, not just sleek designs. Their mission is clear: solve labor shortages, make workplaces safer, and offer a scalable upgrade path without massive upfront costs. They're using a robotics as a service model. No need to buy an expensive robot, just rent what you need. And Persona handles the rest. This isn't theoretical either. They've already signed a deal with HD Hyundai, the world's largest shipbuilder. Deployments start in just 18 months. This isn't a someday plan. It's happening.
And they're not the only ones stepping in.
RoboForce just unveiled its industrial robot, Titan, and it's built for the tough stuff. Mining sites, solar farms, harsh industrial floors, even off-world construction one day. Titan comes in two models, wheels for smooth surfaces and tracks for rough terrain. The hardware is modular, so you can swap bases and tools for different tasks. Think of it as a hardware hacker's dream, but made for real-world jobs. Under the hood, Titan's AI isn't an afterthought. It's built into the very fabric of the robot. This tight hardware-software integration means Titan can learn, adapt, and work in dynamic environments. It can move objects with 1mm precision, something normally reserved for lab robots. It can lift up to 40 kilograms, and its arm has over a meter of reach. It runs a full 8-hour shift on a single charge, keeping pace with human workers. But what really sets Titan apart? RoboForce's focus on 5 core actions: pick, place, press, twist, and connect. Instead of building overly complex systems, they're perfecting these fundamental movements, because most industrial jobs boil down to just these 5. Master those, and you've got a robot ready to work across sectors with minimal retraining. Backed by a fresh $5 million round, bringing their total to $15 million, RoboForce is scaling up in Silicon Valley, with new R&D facilities and real pilot programs across manufacturing and aerospace. Founder Leo Ma says this is just the beginning. More robots, new applications, bigger goals. The vision? Take humans out of repetitive, dangerous work and let them focus on where human thinking really matters. Robots are stepping into jobs once considered too complex, too dangerous, or too expensive to automate, and they're doing it faster than anyone thought possible. Now here's the big question. How long before these robots aren't just supporting us, but quietly running the show? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like and subscribe button, and as always, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.